And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, 59, then rising a little bit later on tonight as that southwest wind kicks in. And tomorrow's going to be an overall windy day, gusts 28 to 40. We'll have one wave of some scattered showers and storms late morning to very early afternoon, and then another mid-afternoon to very early tomorrow evening with a high of 79 degrees with highs generally about 76 to 80. Gonna do it viewing area wide. Now on Friday morning, it's back to these cool mornings again. Winds diminish, we're clear. Thursday night, Friday morning with lows 51 to 55 with some patchy fog around before we're back to 75 to 80 on Friday. So any fog in the morning dispersed. Then we got a northwest wind, low humidity, and a 78 in Greater Lafayette with 75 Logansport to about 80 at Covington, about 78 at Pine Village. We'll get up to about 77 at Frankfort and Rossville. Note the clouds, though, coming in from the northwest early tomorrow morning. This is like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. And then watch this little broken line of showers and storms coming in from the northwest closer to like 11, 10:30, 11-ish. And then it gets into the heart of the area by noon. And then finally by 12:31, it's in our southeast counties. Then it jets out of here and we get a little more sun. This is 3 o'clock. But note here, that goes through. We got another little thin line of some scattered showers and storms right here. This is 4. At that point, it runs from Rochester to Monticello to Pine Village. And then by like 4:30, 4:45, it's like Peru to Rossville, Frankfort, and then down to Crawfordsville. So that zips through as well. And then tomorrow night, we're in good shape. And Friday, we're in good shape. Just note the clock here. The afternoon, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds bubbling up on. Otherwise, so it's going to be a really nice day. Tomorrow, we get the risk of an isolated severe gust, generally east of a Winnemac to about Flora to about Frankfort, roughly Rossville line between 11 and 1 and also 3 and 6 p.m. But things are getting interesting weather-wise because we got this big heat dome that's headed our way. That begins to expand northeastward by the weekend. And watch this. This is Hurricane Hilary, which could become a major hurricane. This is going to be historic for California because look at this. It's going to move right into Los Angeles by early next week. Now remember, the waters here are pretty cool, but they're quite a bit above normal. This could bring tropical storm force winds and flooding rainfall to Southern California, and this could all be flooding rainfall from California all the way up into southern Saskatchewan. For us, it's just the hot ridge. This is on Monday. This could be a developing tropical depression or tropical storm. So the remnants of Hilary dump on California. This potential tropical system hits Texas. We've got the heat here, but this upper trough will cause the ridge to contract a little. So we may pick up a storm or two late Wednesday to Thursday morning. Otherwise, remnants of Hilary, remnants of a tropical storm, the hot ridge here contracting a little bit, and then these remnants keep moving northeast and will actually ride up and around our area. And then we may have a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico about a week from Saturday. So very active. For us, though, it's just a matter of us kind of being in the 90s when this expands, this heat dome, and then we cool back to the upper 80s when it contracts a little bit, sort of thing. So that said, 78 Friday, 84 Saturday after a cool start, a low 90s Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, humidity held in check, a little more humid Wednesday, could have a late storm, a couple storms early Thursday, and then we kind of hang out mid to upper 80s late next week, and we'll be watching again a hurricane likely down in the Gulf.